Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi on a token fast for peace and harmony in Dwarka in Gujarat. And over 1,000 kilometers away in Moradabad in western UP, a section of Muslims coming together to make themselves heard. What's the connection between the two?
सूफी मुस्लिम नरेंद्र मोदी को कुछ शराइत के साथ प्रेयर करेंगे। अगर वो इस बात को एडमिट करता है कि हमारी गलती है, हम इस बात को दोबारा नहीं दोहराएंगे।
Deoband's chief cleric Ghulam Muhammad Wastanvi was the last prominent Muslim who dared to come out in praise of Modi, and he had to pay a heavy price, being forced to retract his statement. The over lakh Sunni Sufi Muslims who gathered here are aware of just how difficult it is to position themselves as liberals. Renouncing the Deoband system of madrasa education as regressive, the Sufis say that Wahhabis in India promote views that poison young Muslim minds.
देवबंद का जो इस वक्त तर्ज अमल है वो इस तालीम के साथ जो अकीदा वहाबियत वो पढ़ा रहे हैं, सबसे बड़ी गलती उसी में है। ये जो टेररिज्म पैदा हो रहा है, एक्सट्रीमिज्म पैदा हो रहा है, ये इसी अकीदा वहाबियत की देन है।
Distancing themselves from the hardliners within the community, this group with a sizable support of Muslims favors reforms in madrasas.
हम तो कहते हैं मदरसों में रिफॉर्म होना चाहिए, इसकी ज़रूरत है। सेंट्रल मदरसा बिल जो है हम चाहते हैं पास हो।
With an attempt to redefine the agenda for the Indian Muslims and the road ahead, this gathering, with its eye on the UP elections next year, made it clear they cannot be treated as a single block of vote bank anymore. In Moradabad, Maria Shakil.